Hi, my name is Mike Dolphin. I'm a product manager on the Microsoft Education team. Today I'm going to be talking and showing a brand new capability called OneNote Live Captions. This is just going to be rolling out into private beta in OneNote for the web very soon. So I'm going to switch over to the slides and explain and show all about this new feature. I'll be talking about OneNote Live Captions and student learning outcomes. So we're going to talk about how this can be an inclusive feature to help all students in these topics like retention, comprehension, and application. So barriers to content retention. It might be, I can't absorb all of the information right now. I'm trying to take notes, the professor or educator is talking, and it's overwhelming me. It might be that I can't focus. Maybe I can't focus to listen and take notes at the same time. It can be difficult. It might be I don't know what my teacher is saying. Maybe I don't speak the native language. Maybe I'm someone who's deaf and hard of hearing and they don't have good captioning technology and it's difficult for me to be able to engage. Maybe I thought I understood in class, but now I got home and I'm confused. I can't remember what was said, or I thought I knew it, now I don't. Or it could just be I wish I could have taken better notes. And we really want to think about inclusive design, so this helps all people. And so research shows that test scores increased across the board by 3% with closed captions, and with interactive transcript up to 8%. And that helps everyone. Now, this might help more with maybe students with disabilities or students who might have other challenges. And so that's where we're going to talk about OneNote Live Captions. And we fuse together the existing and free Microsoft Translator technology with Microsoft OneNote. So I'm going to show that exactly in a demo right now. So I'll be now demoing OneNote Live Captions. And to start out, my persona will be the professor or the educator up front. So I'll be using Translator in this case. So I'm Professor Mike, and I'm going to start Translator here. And you can see this is the iPhone version, but this is also free in Android as well as our web browser. And Translator's been out there for years. So I'm going to start this session, and it's going to generate a join code. So now we're going to switch over to OneNote for the web, and I'm going to show the student view of captions. So here I am in OneNote, and in the upper right, I click the Live Captions button. I'm going to enter that 5-digit code from my professor and choose a language. I'm choosing English in this case, of all the languages I could choose, and hit Join. Now, as the professor's talking, all of this is now captioned in the right-hand panel in OneNote. I can go back to the middle of OneNote as a student, and I can take notes just like I would. In the meantime, all the captions are coming through on the right. Now I can hit pause. Now I click the pause button. Oh, the professor said something interesting. I want to go highlight that caption with my highlighter here. And maybe there's a couple other pieces I see. Maybe I want to make the text a little bit bigger. Now in the meantime, the professor is still talking. But don't worry, that's all captured because everything that was said, if I click play like that, everything is captured right there. Now, because it's in OneNote, automatically in the upper left-hand side, I'm going to hit this transcripts section. Everything is automatically saved into the transcripts folder. And so all of that is captured for every session that I do inside of OneNote. So every day I can go in and get a new transcript. All the highlights are saved. Now, if I go back and let's say I speak a different language, maybe I speak Japanese in this case, I'll enter that join code and this student speaks Japanese. So if I pick Japanese here in the drop-down list for Translator, I hit Join. Now everything the professor is saying comes through in Japanese. So it's very inclusive and powerful for different languages.